Hey everyone, what's going on? Mark here from TST Industries, back in the garage with another installation video. We are here yet again working on this brand new 2022 Yamaha R7, Yamaha's newest sport bike offering. Today we will be installing our Womet-Tech fork slider crash protection kit offered by our partner company Womet-Tech, who's based out of Poland. They offer and provide us with most of our crash protection, and we're excited to use them on our street bikes, our race bikes, and offer them to you. This is a pretty straightforward installation. This kit does install on the front forks. If you are looking for protection on the rear of your bike, we do have that. We'll mention it later in the video. And it's a pretty straightforward installation. As I mentioned, it goes straight through the hollow axle on the front wheel. It's a 6-piece kit, 2 Delrin pucks, which are consumable. This is the same material that frame sliders and our engine case slider is made out of. You have 2 bolts of the same length, an aluminum rod, and a tapered spacer. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right in. To begin, you will need a 6mm hex key and a torque wrench, and let's go ahead and get this installed. All right, so to start off, you do first want to open the box and make sure all the components are correct and there. Last thing you want during an installation is to realize you ordered the wrong thing, or you're missing a piece, or you lost it. So you should have a black aluminum rod. Sometimes they are stainless steel. 2 bolts of the same length. 2 of the Delrin pucks. These are both exactly the same. They have the same part numbers, so you won't have to worry about mixing those up. And then a tapered spacer. In the box, we also have paper instructions provided by Womet-Tech, a nice sticker, since we know you guys love stickies. And we do have 2 sets of circular accent stickers. These are pre-included. They are only available in silver or red. Please keep note of that. These are accent stickers meant to be installed on the Delrin caps should you decide to do so. They're not necessary for installation, and no, we do not have any other colors. Now that that's complete, we can chuck the box to the side along with the sticker and begin the installation process. So on this particular bike, we're actually going to start on the left side, the clutch lever side of the bike. If you look at the bottom of the fork leg, you will see a hex key opening into the axle for the front wheel. That's what we want to focus on right now. You want to take the tapered spacer. You'll notice that it fits in there perfectly. You're going to pre-install this and superimpose it into the puck, lay it into the recess on the back. Take a bolt, insert it into the puck through the spacer, and then take the aluminum rod. Begin hand threading it. You want to do this slowly. Make sure you're not cross-threading, making sure that as you place it on your work area, you didn't get any debris in the threads. And you want to do this until you bottom it out. You can do this by hand, and as you can see, it's nice and secure. You're going to insert it at this point into the front axle. Now we're going to come on over to the right side of the bike, or the brake lever side. You're going to feed the bolt through the Delrin puck. Grab the side that's already pre-installed and place this puck and the bolt over the bottom of the fork leg. By hand, you will slowly turn this bolt in, making sure you're not cross-threading it, making sure you're fully engaging. And eventually it will get to a point where your hands can't do it anymore. So you're going to grab your tool and bottom this kit out. As you can see, there's a little bit of play. At this point, we want to go ahead and grab our torque wrench. You can straighten the wheel out if needed. We're going to go ahead and grab our torque wrench with the appropriate adapter. And you want to set your torque wrench to 12 Newton meters, 8.8 foot-pounds, or 106 inch-pounds. Please make note of that. Do not torque it down to 106 foot-pounds. It's 8.8 foot-pounds, 106 inch-pounds, or 12 Newton meters. Once you have it set to the appropriate torque specification, in this case, I'm using the inch-pounds. I will make sure that I have my 6mm socket, 6mm hex key on the torque wrench. And while inserting it on one side, grab your hex key on the other side and torque it down until you hear it click. And that's it. You want to be careful while doing this. Make sure you do not over torque it. These are aluminum components and they can break. They will snap. That is not covered under warranty, so please keep that in mind. At this point, the installation is just about complete, but we do have our handy dandy stickers that we want to install to give this kit a little extra pop. So on this particular bike, I am going to pre-install these silver accent stickers. I'm going to have a small flathead screwdriver, peel this one sticker off. And again, these stickers come included with the kit in silver or red. No other color options are available at this time. Place it on the flathead, and you're just going to want to line it up, superimpose it over the area that you will be pre-installing it on, and slowly apply it so that it sits nice and flush. And there you have it. We'll repeat that for the other side, and this installation is complete. As you can see, this kit does provide a nice ample amount of crash protection for the bottom of your fork legs on the front of your motorcycle. This will help potentially minimize any risk or damage in the event of a crash to the bottom of your fork legs and some of your crucial braking components. So check this out and all of the other crash protection we have available for this bike, along with every other product for various motorcycles. Be sure to stop by tstindustries.com. Subscribe if you haven't already. Be sure to turn that notification bell on. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them in the comment field below. We'd love to hear from you as always. And be sure to stop by our social media pages, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Give us a follow, like some of our photos, let us know what's going on. Hope you guys ride safe. For now, I'm going to take this out and have some fun. Catch you guys next time.